Hello, Gayatri here. There is another question here from Gayatri NutriSolution community. Can you share more about the sacred chakra, or why sex is considered as taboo, and how it is affecting the mental health, and what is your opinion about it in New Earth? Okay, in New Earth Ascension and the path which I follow, and we are focusing on balancing these energies, masculine or feminine energies, and trying to understand the root cause of mental health issues. And in Kerala or any place or any system, I'm not talking about a particular religion or culture, but the current situation, this program which installed in the last few years, or 100 or 150 years, it is through the education, or maybe due to many things. I can't say that this is the reason, but this is what is happening here, especially in Kerala, because the sacred chakra or root chakra is blocked, and that is a cause of fear. World is in fear right now, and fear is the absence of love energy. And all these programs they install from childhood onwards, and the religion which is focusing more on sin and sex is sin, or they are doing more the client, according to the client feedback, or from the studies based upon thousands of clients who is affecting with this emotional trauma, mental issues, and it is connected with the blocks in the lower chakras. Sacred chakra is the second chakra, and that block is due to the guilt, because they install a lot of programs, guilt programs. I think more men are affected in Kerala, and they have one relationship and hundreds of other relationship, and that is due to this program of guilt, shame, sin. So their chakras are blocked. They cannot feel this love energy, or what true love is all about. So they search for sex, or they look for sex, or that is the only happiness which they find inside their mind. Or in Bhakti Yoga, we see it through Bhakti, or it could be a divine essence, or it can be anything. And during this earth ascension, there are, in Veda principles it is different, and this awakening which is happening, I am focusing on the global, that mission which I am talking about, the mission of this light work, or during this awakening, and feminine energy awakened, a lot of feminine energy awakened in 2020. That was a nature's plan during this earth ascension, and men energy are actually healing and clearing, and it is the responsibility of the feminine energy to share all these truth, to make them aware of that essence inside. So then only they can feel the love inside. So that block, which is a major block, guilt, shame, and that is one of the main cause of mental health issues which world is facing right now. This depression, anxiety, everything is due to this block in the lower chakras. So during this Kundalini awakening, which could be due to the connecting with the energies, or God, or anything which you focus, or it could be a person outside, and that is nothing connected with the sex, or Kundalini awakening is nothing to connect with the sex. Or what I understood is that energy, maybe it is the most creative energy. Sexual energy is very creative, and you can use it for creating something. And anything that is blocking the creativity, any strict rituals or anything which is blocking you is affecting, because the earth ascension is all about a lot of energies which can help you. And when this energy you can clear, and when it is connecting with your higher chakras, you will get enlightened, or you will understand who you are in essence. And it is all about love, and seeing that purity of mind will help you. Thank you.